So we are doing some concrete pressure washing. You can see that I've already done along the building here, and I'm using this special surface cleaner to clean the surface of the concrete, get rid of all the dirt, the algae, and everything else that's built up into the pores of the concrete. You can see it just gets washed away, but we rinse this again afterwards just to get all the little grit and stuff off. There's a lot going on under there. So, all right, let's do some sidewalk here. See the difference good on that one. So if you guys need us, we are C&S Cleaning, and we have a whole bunch of toys to clean your house. All right, talk to you later. Thanks for watching.